Hey there. So, let's dive into the problem at hand. The issue arises when using the liquibase-maven plugin in a Spring Boot application to manage database changes. After generating the initial DB structure with mvn liquibase diff, everything goes smoothly. However, upon subsequent executions of the same command, liquibase ends up creating unnecessary changesets relating to foreign key constraints. This unexpected behavior is quite the conundrum, isn't it? Now onto the solution. As mentioned in a related GitHub issue for liquibase, this behavior is a known quirk. The repetitive creation of change sets for dropping and recreating foreign key constraints is a side effect of Hibernate's routine handling. To prevent this from happening, there isn't a direct property in Hibernate that can be toggled to alter this behavior. It seems like we're left with letting liquibase generate these additional change sets for now. In summary, the problem lies in liquibase crafting redundant change sets for foreign key constraints due to Hibernate's actions. While a direct fix within Hibernate isn't available, the workaround involves acknowledging and accepting this behavior for the time being. Well, that's all for now. Remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. See you next time.